Hey guys, just checked into this hotel called Summit Norling. This is between Gangtok and Nathula, and it was one adventurous ride today. It was completely worth the entire journey we had till date and all the troubles we had.
It was a fantabulous ride.
See? That's the reaction. And by the time we reached there, it was 1:30. So I think by the time everybody was leaving, we started clicking photos and it went till 2:30. And we were the last batch there. So we got a personalized and customized tour by the soldiers there who have been posted there for almost 2-3 years, right? Unfortunately, we couldn't shoot anything on the camera, any cameras, because it was prohibited. But it was one of the best experience after there because we went till the border, saw a Chinese soldier, saw the Chinese flags and all the bunkers. And it's not all pleasant, guys. I think recently or few years back, they fought there. And once we sat there, quite a few of us had altitude sickness. I had a bit of slight headache and I couldn't walk up the stairs because the oxygen levels were so low. And after spending time for almost 1.5 hours there or 2 hours, we started our journey back. Oh man, we were shivering throughout until half the way, till Songmo Lake. It was only 7 degrees and we had one of the best Maggies so far till date. Small restaurant. Hotel Himalayan. Definitely worth 3,500 kilometers from Hyderabad. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. We're just about to check out Summit Norling Hotel here in Gangtok. Heading to Lachung for maybe a 1 night or a 2 night stay. And if you can see, just when I thought it's going to be just cloudy, started raining. I think we need to keep our rain gear always on here. It's been, half an hour since we left the hotel. It was raining down there, so we couldn't record much, but now it seems to be slightly clear weather. So the GoPro is on and ready to leave. Some nice guard sections here, guys. Really nice guard sections. Chaitu, left la road edo neeku set undra. Just stopped here for fuel. We are like 60 kilometers from Lachung. Started around 12:30ish from Gangtok. It was very cloudy and raining actually till at least 30 kilometers, and then it settled down a bit. So we stopped for lunch and now fuel, and then next break would be the hotel stop. There is a chance we might get access to Gurdong Mar. It was originally closed, but apparently it opened today. So hopefully if we get the permits in time, we might do Lachung and Gurdong Mar. Otherwise it will be Lachung, maybe Yumthang tomorrow, and then back to Gangtok. So that's the plan, guys. Catch you guys on the road. We are somewhere in North Sikkim. Whoa, nice tall mountains, remote location, and lots of hairpin bends. As long as there is no rain, this ride has been so enjoyable, man. Every day? Nah, I can take 1 or 2 times. We rode for 2 hours. Cars to the right. Hey guys, it's 7 p.m. We reached the hotel 1 hour back. We are here at Lachung in Sikkim. Oh man, the last 2 days of rides have been amazing. We have been drenched in rain. It was cold, bad roads, slush, challenging conditions for any biker. Much more less adventurous today than yesterday when we went to Nathula. But by the time we reached, it was completely pitch dark and the helmets were clogging up. Even with all the rainproof gear, we were still getting slightly wet in the shoes, and the helmet visors were clogging up either with fog, even with anti-fog shield. Probably it's damaged because there has been so much of rain. Yeah, for me the problem was the helmet visor was completely drenched in rain, and then my glasses. So even if I open the helmet for better visibility, my glasses would block my vision. And in that sense, it was not a great experience. Had to stop every half an hour or so, clean my glasses and then do it, but somehow managed it. I think in Sikkim, if you're ever visiting, best time would be to start early and reach the place before sunset, and probably a better season to ride, but this is also an adventure. Let's check with others how they have enjoyed the ride so far.
WhatsApp
How's the ride today?
Excellent.
Compared to yesterday?
Excellent. Excellent.
Rating? Raja?
9.5 out of 10.
What is it?
8.5 out of 10.
We don't need to ask Shiva. He wants rain, he wants slush, he basically wants no road. That's it.
I want something different.
That's Shiva. Neither bro code
Difficult roads
leads to beautiful destinations. We
something different, huh? Flag hosting it.
Heated grips. We are figuring out permits for Gurudwamar Lake. If that's done, this trip is complete. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. And came in late last night, so couldn't record much, and it was raining throughout, so not much footage on the GoPro too. But let's check out the hotel and also the view from here in the daytime when there is no rain. This is the view on top of the hotel. Wow. You can look at the waterfalls and tell the scale of the mountains. And देख हमारा photographer और videographer क्या कर रहा है.
2 more steps ahead.
Just take a look at that waterfall at the top. And then we decided to take a car instead of taking our bikes because quite a few of us were tired. And we wanted to just enjoy these beautiful views as you can see here. It was very cloudy and raining and probably freezing temperatures around 3 to 4 degrees. It's probably the most scenic and serene areas that I have been to. I've been to Leh, Europe and US, but somehow there is that uniqueness to this place that very few can replicate. Loved it. Hey guys, we are at 0 point. This is much higher than the Nathula Pass. Nathula was around 14,000 change. This is around 15,748 feet. Another highest pass for you?
Yep.
and there is no road beyond this point. Actually, in the map, if you see Gurdongmar Lake, which we wanted to do, is very close by, like 30-40 kilometers, but there's no road. This is the end point here. Siva bhai, first no experience.
First no experience, second time in 0 point.
डर के आगे जीते. Let's go. Anta fast nenu ralenra. There are obviously few shops here, but this is probably the remotest of remote locations I have come. Seeing Shiva, I also wanted to cross the lake or the small river and go to the other side, but with my balance issues and with the pain in the left knee, I decided to go back, and as you can see, it was tough even returning back. I slipped into the freezing cold waters, and that's when I decided to head back and enjoy the view from where I was. And it was snowing, cold, and yeah, quite an experience.
Where are you from?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Which place?
Telangana state.
Next ticket.
Room ke liye. Room ke liye.
Shriman's first experience of snowfall.
Yep.
How is it? How does it feel?
Snow on my whiskers.
Done, and we're heading back to our hotel in Lachung. Some of us are feeling tired, and few others are having little headache. Take two. And few others are having headache, but just take a look at the number of people in the car. 2 in the front, 3 here, Shiva, Suju, Chaitu, and 4 in the back.